Hello dear student, welcome back to English class. Yes dear students, in the last class we started our new chapter from section A, that is Dal Delight. Okay, Dal Delight, which is written by Subhadra Sengupta. And what we have learned in previous class, just recall it. Yes, it is story. See here, how many characters are there? First character is Sadiq, main important character. Next, Muhammad Qadir. Who is he? He is father of Sadiq. Next, Nawab Hassan Ali. And last one, Aman. Aman is Sadiq's friend. So these characters are there in this story. This is very nice story. So here, Muhammad Qadir, he is Sadiq's father, and he was a famous food stall, or he was just famous cook. So he was always making this dal. He was very famous to making a dal. His dal is different kind of dal he was preparing, and it was very special. So one day Nawab Ali, he came in his stall, okay, with his workers. Okay, you can say that here. See, they told us helper. Workers who can say that helper, because he was a Nawab. So he was a rich man. So here this Nawab Ali, he came with his helper, and he came into the stall of these Sadiqs and directly asked, what you are preparing? So here Muhammad Qadir, okay, father of Sadiq, he answered that I am preparing. He was just frying something, and he just told him, I can prepare a good dal. So this Nawab Ali Hussain, he shocked. How he can tell that his dal is special? Only urad dal, it is not a too much special thing. Yes, but how he can prepare? He asked. Then Muhammad Qadir answered that, yes, I can prepare the dal. Everybody can prepare, but my dal is different and it is tasty. Even I can prepare biryani also. Even I can prepare korma also. But dal is my favorite and special dish here. So suddenly this Nawab Ali Hussain told that, okay, then you just send this dal to my house. I will taste and I will think. So here the father, means Muhammad Qadir, he rejected about that. He told, no, you have to come in my stall and you have to eat here only. Because if I prepare the dal or cooked dal, it is here you have to eat. Otherwise it will be not tasteful. Next, Nawab decided, okay, he just thought that, yes, I have to come to your stall and I will taste it. But he asked to Muhammad Qadir, if I did late, then what will you do? So directly this Muhammad Qadir told, I will throw it out of the stall. Okay, next letter, what happened? See. Ah, well, he thought, let's taste his dal. Maybe it will be worth the trouble. So Nawab Ali Hassan, he decided, okay, let it be. I will taste this dal and I will see afterwards what will happen. So call me tomorrow when you are ready, he said, and left the stall. The Nawab Ali left the stall. He just told, okay, you just call me tomorrow. I will come and I will have. Then you just tell me, and that time I will eat here. So Sadiq sighed with relief. He had been worried that the Nawab would lose his temper and leave. So Sadiq, this boy, he was thinking, because he was just thinking about his father's behavior. Yes, so he know that Nawab, these people will are too much rich, and if we made them happy, they will give something to gift. So he was just thinking, okay, let it be. Now my father, he just made. See here, Nawab not lost his temper and he went from that. So Sadiq knew that Nawabs often gave the generous rewards to cooks if they liked a dish. His father had nearly spoiled everything. It was lucky that the Nawab had been in a good mood and agreed to all Qadir's conditions. So Sadiq know that, yes, Nawab, this maybe possibility to lose his temper, but he not lost his temper, and he was thinking about his father. Yes, my father is trying to spoil everything, but now this is okay, and it was lucky because this Nawab, like people, if they like something or if they like the cook, they will offer something. Next, what happened? In the evening, Sadiq went with his father to the market to buy the ingredients for the dal Shahi Urad. only the best would do, of course. So in the evening, Sadiq went with his father to the market for purchasing the ingredients. Ingredients means what? Whichever material they are using for preparing dal. So write down here ingredients. Ingredients means what here? See here, substances that are combined to make a dish. You can say that something material, some special things they are using to cook the dal. Substances that are combined to make a dish. So you can directly say that material, okay, whatever material, special material which is required to prepare a special food. Got it? So it is called as ingredient. So he went with his father to buy something for this special dal because of course he wanted to make it special. All of it had to be fresh and perfect. So all material, whatever ingredients he brought, it was a fresh and perfect. Sadiq heard in the market that Nawab Hasan Ali has rewarded many cooks in the past. On the way, so Sadiq heard, before that Sadiq heard what? This Nawab Ali, he had given reward to many cooks because he was a interested person in the food. So what he will do? If he like the cook or if he like any item from his stall, he will reward it or he will give the reward. So on the way home, he dreamed of the reward his father could get. He knew that his father's dal Shahi Urad was as good as any dish any cook could prepare. So while coming to the home, in the way he was thinking that only, that Sadiq, because if our father's dal, if that Nawab Ali like it, he would give the reward, and from that reward I can purchase something. So he was thinking that because his father was making Shahi Urad dal, that is different kind of, and it is very special dish. Early next morning, Sadiq set to work with his father. He had a quick taste of the dal when his father wasn't looking. It tasted utterly delicious. It was the secret masala that made all the difference. And next morning, what happened? Sadiq, he just set to the work. Again, he came to the work with his father, and he was also busy to make something to help him. And always he was testing that dal. Okay, when his father was absent, he was not looking to him. He was testing that dal, and he tested, and it was utterly delicious. And even because why? They used the secret masala, and so it made all the difference. When everything was ready, the dal bubbling gently, balls of dough moist and ready to be slapped into rotis. Here raita cooling in an earthen bowl. Qadi turned to his son, "Go, call the Nawab's son. I am ready to serve lunch." What happened? See, when everything was ready, the dal was started to bubbling. Bubbling means just it was complete to cooked, and it was bubbling gently. And even he prepared the balls. Okay, balls means he have to serve into that ball. So he just he just made the dish and he just prepared. And now this father told to Sadiq, just go and call to Nawab to our stall, and I will ready to serve the lunch. Next, what happened? Sadiq ran all the way to Nawab Hasan Ali's palace. He reached the house panting. See, Sadiq ran away because he wanted to know that whether this dal is good or no. So he went to the Nawab Hasan Ali's palace and to call him. "I have come to call Nawab for lunch. This dal is ready," he said to helper. And when he reached to the palace, helper was there. So he told directly to helper, "Yes, I came to call the Nawab for the lunch because the dal is ready." Next, what happened? "Go up to the roof. Nawab Saab is flying kite there." Sadiq tore up the stairs to the roof. The Nawab and his friend were completely engrossed in flying kites. Sadiq went up to Hasan Ali and said timidly, Nawab Saab, the dal is ready. My father is calling you. What happened? See, that helper told, you just go upside on the roof, because Nawab Ali was just playing with kite. He just flying the kites there with his friends. So you just go and tell them. So Sadiq went to the tore up the stairs. Tore up the stairs means what here? See here, ran up the stairs very quickly. He just ran away because he was very excited. So I will write here, tore up the stairs. Tore up the stairs. What is mean? See here. So just ran away. So you can write that. See, ran up the stairs. Yes, very quickly. Very quickly. So he ran up the store very quickly. Next, what happened? The Nawab and his friend were completely engrossed in the flying kites, and Nawab and his friends, they all very busy. Here, engrossed means what here? Gave all attention means fully they were busy in the flying kites. So write down here, engrossed. Engrossed means fully or attention. You can say that. Attentionally they are doing. See, gave all attention. Gave all their attention. So they were busy while flying the kite. Then Sadiq went up to the Hasan Ali and said timidly. Timidly means now see this Nawab Ali, he was too much a rich person. So of course everybody can just getting scared about that. So timidly means here scared. You can say that here. See, humbly or humbly. Timidly, you can write here humbly. So he went upside there, and what happened then? Nawab Saab, the dal is ready. He was just telling that, Nawab Saab, the now dal is ready. You come and have it. Hasan Ali looked down at the Sadiq, who then he seems to remember, yes, the dal. So Nawab Ali forgot that while seeing him, looking to the Sadiq, he forgot who is he. But again he remembered, yes, about dal, yes. So one of his friends laughed. Forget the dal, Hassan. Your kite is in danger. The green kite is about to cut it. So one of his friend, what he did, he laughed. He laughed and he told, just forget it, Hasan Ali, because just you have to be see to the kite, because the kite is in danger. So the green kite is about to cut it. So Hasan Ali hurriedly pulled at his kite. Just you wait, green kite, I will get you, he shouted. Then now Hasan Ali, he just pulled his kite, he just rope, and then he just told that, yes, green kite, just wait, I will be cut. Nawab Saab, Sadiq interrupted, worried about his father's temper. The food is waiting. Again that Sadiq is answered, because he was fearing that his father will be getting angry if that Nawab Ali not came. Okay, so he said once again, interrupted means he disturbed once again, and he told that Nawab Ali, come, food is waiting. Yes, Hasan Ali irritated. Tell your father to wait. Can't you see my kite is in danger? And he said that, you can't see, my kite is in danger. It is about to cut and you can't see. You tell your father you have to wait. So, run along, boy, one of his friends said impatiently. Can't you see? Nawab Saab is busy. And one of the friends, he said, you just go, run from here. And because you can't see that Nawab Ali, he is busy to flying the kite. But the dal, Sadiq gave up and sadly walked away. But again he said, but what about dal? He said that and suddenly walked away from that. All his dreams were fading away. He knew what would happen. He knew his father's temper. The moment Qadir heard that the Nawab preferred to fly kites to testing his dal, he would fly into a rage and give the dal away. They could forget about any reward. Sadiq felt like crying. So now Sadiq came back and he was thinking what this he know about his father's temper. So he was thinking now all is finished because that Nawab Ali is giving more importance to flying kite instead of my dal. So he was just felt to like crying. On reaching home, he looked up. The Nawab's kite was flying overhead, and his friend Aman was flying a kite from his rooftop across the lane. And what happened? While reaching the home, suddenly this Sadiq, he have seen that Nawab's kite was flying overhead, okay, on his head, and his friend Aman, he was also flying that kite across the lane. Suddenly, a wonderful idea struck Sadiq. He ran to Aman's rooftop, and suddenly Sadiq got one idea. Now, at any cost, he want to call the Nawab in his stall. So he decided one plan. Aman, do me a favor. See the blue and silver kite? Cut it fast. Now he said his friend, okay, Sadiq told his friend, you just have see the Nawab Ali's kite and you just cut that kite very fast. Sure, no problem, said Aman grinning. He was a champion kite flyer. He made a special kite string with a layer of ground glass and could cut through anything. So he said his